Hey guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to the video, and today I have something super exciting for you guys. I have been waiting for this for so long. As you guys know, I hinted about a 10K subscriber surprise for you guys, and I finally have it. Basically, if you guys didn't know, due to COVID and all the stuff that's been going on, a lot of the businesses have been shutting down or temporarily paused. So the Game Crafter, where I produce my game, also got paused, but now they're finally open again. So about a month or two ago, I created a 10 card 10K subscriber celebration pack for you guys. Basically, I spent a lot of time making 10 artworks that are traditionally made with a lot of my Copic markers that you used to see a lot in my artwork, and I made 10 cards for you guys in a booster pack. So I am super excited to open this, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so I ended up ordering 2 packs, so we can go ahead and open up the box. I'm gonna only open 1 pack because they have all the same cards in it, and I just want to keep one for then the pack isn't opened, I guess. Wow, look at it. Oh my gosh. It's so shiny. So since I first uploaded set 1, the Game Crafter implemented shiny foil style of booster packs. So I decided to bring that into my 10K celebration pack. The art, oh my gosh, it's so shiny. God, it looks so cool on this shiny foil. All right, let's go ahead and open it. I'm so excited. I'm gonna keep one and put it to the side. Go ahead and tear the corner and open that up. Boom. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There's the classic heroic card backs. Are we ready to flip them over? Here we go. Dang, it looks so good. So as you guys know, I started a new template for my cards. Started digitally making my templates so they look a lot more professional. So this is Kyothi the Conqueror. This one you guys saw in one of my speed art videos. I made this for a YouTube video. So Kyothi the Conqueror is a level 2 water element hero, attack of 450, defense of 450, and the effect is every time you summon a hero, draw a card. If this hero is destroyed by battle, move 1 gadget from your dungeon to your hand. And what I decided to do for these cards is instead of giving them a rarity, I gave them the 10K rarity, I guess, in the bottom right. Basically, farther down the line, these are most likely not going to be available forever. They're going to be something that's like super rare to get because you won't be able to buy them forever. So that's why I put 10K in the bottom right. Let's move on to the next one. Oh my gosh. This literally looks so good. I have to say, this is probably one of the best looking heroic cards I have seen. Just the contrast in the image mixed with like the white title box, it looks incredible. This is Zarro Guardian of the Sky. It is a light element hero, level 3. As you know, we're implementing level 3s into Heroic Set 2. Attack of 500 and defense of 600. When this hero is summoned, all of your other light element heroes may attack directly this turn. That could be a huge effect. That could be a game-winning effect right there. I have to say the art on this looks incredible. Not to toot my own horn. Next card. Oh my gosh. Esther the Crusader. A level 2 fire element hero. Attack of 600 and defense of 325. This hero gains 200 defense if it is the only hero on your side of the grid. I'm just like thoroughly in love with how the arts and the templates transferred to print. I think they just look so good, and I love that the text boxes are now a little bit see-through so you can see more of the art. Next one, we got Wind Whisperer. This is a level 0 light element. Attack of 200 and defense of 150. When this hero is summoned, you may move 1 hero to a different space on the grid, as long as it remains on the same side it started on. Again, the art just looks good. The colors are so much more vibrant than set 1, and overall my art has improved so much. Next is our Nature Element level 2 warrior. This is Meg the Fierce Axeman. Attack of 550 and defense of 450. Every time a Nature Element hero other than this hero on your side of the grid is destroyed by battle, you may move 1 gadget from your dungeon to your hand. One of my goals for set 2 was to make the nature element more powerful, so this was one of those cards that I was hoping to achieve that goal with. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, this is probably one of my favorite cards from this pack. One, I think the art is absolutely incredible. The lightning took me so long to make, and I think it turned out super cool. And I think the effect is just so much fun because it's a lot of risk involved. And overall, I just really enjoy it. So this is Cree the Mad Master, an electric element level 2 hero. Attack of 650 and defense of 400. At the beginning of every turn of yours, while this hero is on the grid, flip a coin. If heads, inflict damage to your opponent equal to the highest level on their side of the grid. If tails, inflict damage to yourself equal to the highest level on your side of the grid other than Cree the Mad Master. So basically it's a guy that's gone completely mad, and it's a very like high risk, high reward situation. Either you could lose life points or your opponent could lose a lot of life points. Next card. Oh, the colors turned out so good on this one. This is the Silver Mirage, a level 1 hero for the dark element. Attack of 400 and defense of 200. During each of your turns, you may sacrifice a hero. If you do, this hero can attack your opponent directly. Next one. Oh my god. This was the first card that I drew for this 10k pack, and I have to say, I added in a bunch of galaxy colors into the back, and it looks stunning. So this is Gail the Galaxy Hopper, a level 1 for electric element. Attack of 350 and defense of 350. During the turn this hero is summoned and your opponent's next turn, no damage can be dealt to either player. I'm just amazed at the colors on these cards. I've said it like so many times already, but the colors are just incredible. Next we got Vault Ninja, a level 1 for the dark element. Attack of 300, defense of 300. During the turn this hero is summoned, it may attack your opponent directly. I thought this was a cool effect and correlated to the art a lot. Very like stealthy character. Our next one is a fire element level 1 hero, Protector of the Fortress. Attack of 200 and defense of 400. When your opponent attacks, this hero gains 50 attack for each hero your opponent controls until the end of their turn. So cool. And that is our last card, it looks like. Okay, so you might be wondering why I decided to do these certain arts or this pack for 10k subs. And if you guys haven't noticed, every single one of these arts has a character that has either been on my Instagram page or in one of my videos at some point on my YouTube journey. So I kind of want to make it almost like a time capsule of these are all the characters I have created over this time where I've gained 10k subscribers and gained a following that all really enjoy my characters and content. So if you guys want to check out this pack and you want to collect these 10 cards that are very special to me and will only be offered for a limited time, the link will be in the description of the video and you guys can go ahead and buy it or check it out if you want. Anyways, I know this video is a little bit late, but it's just kind of been due to the whole quarantine thing. But I wanted to thank you guys so much for 10k subscribers. It means the world to me, and it's really cool to see this community that's been built on YouTube just based around my art and my card game and all this stuff. And I can't wait to see where we go. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications for more awesome art videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!